We're going to put together the Glock Slide. So I start by putting the safety plunger back in. Pop the spring in there. It just drops right in the hole. You need that to lock the extractor in place. This only goes in one way. Just like that. Press the extractor down. Press the safety down. Drop the extractor in. Let the button up and hold it in place. Then you can put the spring in. Alright, let's put our striker assembly back together. Slip it into the channel. Slip the spring over. Now we're going to push the spring down. Careful, you should be wearing some eye protection here. And take your cups, small end down. And just clamp them right around. This is the hardest part. Once both are in there, it's ready to go back in. All right, put our end plate back on. So you can see that's a little channel sticking out a bit. Put your end plate on, you're going to push that channel down. Slide the end plate back to the plunger. Take your pin, punch, or push that plunger in. At the same time, slide the base plate back. Alright, everything's in there. You can press your plunger down. See your striker, pull it back. That's looking good. Tip the barrel in. Bring that back. Flat end towards the rear. Alright, that's all back together. So head over to HumboldtActual.com for some more videos and to see the products and tools that I'm using.